Alright, so to start off, I took a spoolie and I just brushed it through her brows to get them all in line. And then I took a NYX brow pencil and it's in dark brown, and I just started to fill in her eyebrows. And then I went in with a brow powder by BH Cosmetics to fill in her brows. Next, I took NC45 concealer by MAC, and I am using it to carve underneath her brows. And on the top of her brows, I use NC48. And I'm just using a blending brush to blend out the concealer. Next, I'm taking Paint Pot and Painterly by MAC, and I'm using that as an eyeshadow base on her eyes. Then I'm going in with the Crayon Case palette, the box of crayons, and using the color Tan as her transition shade. And next I'm taking the color from the MAC Nude Model palette, right there. And then I am going in with the Crayon Case palette using the silver eyeshadow as her lid color. She wanted her shirts and her eye makeup to match, so yes, we're doing a nice little smoky color. Then I take this next color, that's a MAC palette, it's the Nude Model palette. I'm taking that sparkly shade and adding it on her lid. It's more of a cool tone nude, so that's what we're using today. I'm mixing the two darker shades in that Nude Model palette towards her outer corners, not making it too dark, but it's definitely a cool tone smoky eye, which is really pretty on her. Next, I'm taking brown shade from the Crayon Case palette and just blending it right underneath her transition shade to bring everything together. I'm going to line the eyes with MAC Black Track. And next I am going in, I'm adding an essential oils by MAC onto her skin. And then I'm using a Smashbox primer on her T-zone area. Next, I'm taking a concealer palette by MAC in Deep, and she has a little bit of darkness underneath her eyes and on her cheeks, so I'm just using the orange to color correct her skin. And then I am going in with the foundation by MAC NC50 Studio Fix Fluid. And the brush I'm using, it is a Clinique foundation brush. Next, for concealer, I'm taking NC45 Pro Longwear Concealer by MAC, placing this all over underneath her eyes, Cupid's bow, down the bridge of her nose, chin, and forehead area for the nice highlights. And I'm taking a Real Technique sponge and blending everything out. And I'm going in to set her concealer with the MAC Studio Fix powder in the color Invisible. And I'm going in to set her skin using the Studio Fix powder in C50. And I'm also sweeping away the extra powder on her skin. And to contour, so I don't really use a dark contour, my mom. I use Deep Darkest. It's just more like skin tone, and it's a more warmer tone on her skin. So that's how I use the contour, just to give her more of a warm look to her skin. I don't use anything too dark like what I use on myself. And then I'm just taking the powder and contouring her nose. Then I am taking Definitely Black in her waterline. Well, that's the Clinique eyeliner. I'm sorry, that's a Clinique black eyeliner, an intense black, intense ebony. And then I'm just taking all the colors in her crease and sweeping it underneath the lash line. And then I'm going in and just sweeping away the excess powder underneath her eyes. Next, of course, it's Leo season, so I put on some Leo lashes for her. And they really describe her personality. She does not like big lashes. She likes more of a natural look. So yes. Adding a little blush to her cheeks. I believe this is Sweet as Cocoa. And adding some Clinique mascara to her top and bottom lashes. And then, she's so silly, spraying some Mario Badescu face spray onto her skin. And then for lips, of course, this is a brown lip liner by NYX. Y'all know I'm the brown lip liner. Brown lip liner, new lipstick queen. But she definitely wanted something neutral. So I just went in with NYX brown lip liner. She doesn't wear lip liner, so it's something different for her. And then I went in with, this is Half and Half lipstick by MAC. And I didn't add any gloss, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Happy birthday to my mom. August 8th is her birthday. It's Leo season. Of course. Oh, and I almost forgot. You know, this is my favorite part. Hold on. We gotta add a little bit of highlight on her cheeks. She does not wear highlight at all. So this is something totally different for her. And that's the palette I'm using. Gorgeous. Well, happy birthday to my mom, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, rate, and subscribe. And it's Leo season once again. Until next time, bye.